Super Eagles head coach Chelle has reviewed the most important match left for Nigeria in the World Cup qualifying stage. The Super Eagles of Nigeria are under immense pressure to qualify for the 2026 World Cup after an underwhelming qualifying campaign so far. Manager Chelle began his tenure with 4 points from 2 games, but most of the damage had already been done before his appointment. The Super Eagles have 7 points from 6 games, far off leaders South Africa, who already have 13 points, with just 4 games left. There is added pressure on Chelle's side to secure maximum points in their upcoming fixtures, first at home to Rwanda in Uyo, Nigeria, before a decisive showdown against South Africa away. "We cannot afford to lose against Rwanda at home," Chelle said in an interview with Score Nigeria. "It's an obligation we win in South Africa, but the most important match for us right now is Rwanda in Uyo." Also, the South Africa have strengthened their position with back-to-back wins over Lesotho and Benin Republic. Chelle is aware of the challenge posed by Bafana, saying, "South Africa are a good side, but for that game, we cannot afford to allow them to play. But first, we have to beat Rwanda at home, and then we'll focus on the game in South Africa. Anything other than a win over Rwanda in Uyo will surely make qualifications almost impossible, even before the trip to South Africa." We'll continue to supply you more sports news stories. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.